Welcome to the presentation for AI4DECEIVE, an advanced honeypot deployment solution based on AI, developed by TECNALIA Research and Innovation, at the AI4CYBER project. AI4DECEIVE focuses on the application of honeynets in the realm of cybersecurity, understanding honeynets as honeypots deployed as a network. By analyzing the behavior of attackers inside a honeynet, security experts may learn valuable lessons about the strategies employed by attackers, as well as identify vulnerabilities in their own systems. This component should help organizations adapt their defenses to the best practices when deploying honeynets without disrupting normal operations or causing unnecessary panic among stakeholders. The component architecture includes three subcomponents: the Image Monitoring Tool, the Erkuden.Rios Decision Engine, and the Honeypot Manager. The Image Monitoring Tool is in charge of processing the logs generated by the honeypots to learn the status of attacks on them. The Erkuden.Rios Decision Engine's mission is to calculate the most appropriate honeypot deployment strategy according to such status. The Honeypot Manager allows operating on honeypot instances, both manually and based on a deployment strategy received from the Erkuden.Rios Decision Engine. The AI4DECEIVE Honeypot Manager has a graphical interface from which it can be managed workgroups, roles and users. And it is also possible to consult the available cloud environments, the honeypots catalog registered in the system, and the currently deployed honeypot instances. The graphical interface also allows manual operations to be performed on honeypots, such as creating an instance, starting an existing instance, stopping an existing instance, and finally destroy an existing instance. To see how the Erkuden.Rios Decision Engine works, let's assume a series of attacks detected by the AI4CYBER framework. The Erkuden.Rios Decision Engine receives the information about these attacks and proceeds to calculate the most optimal honeypot deployment policy. Once calculated, it sends the honeypot deployment order to the Honeypot Manager, which will evaluate how many instances and what type it has already deployed to complete the policy to be applied. The deployment status can be checked in the Honeypot Manager user interface once the calculated strategy has been applied. In this example, the Erkuden.Rios Decision Engine has decided to deploy 2 instances of the Dianea honeypot and 1 instance of the RDPY honeypot. Thank you for your attention. To stay up to date on the AI4CYBER project, follow us on the website and social media channels.